Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can import contacts in the Telegram app on your Android. Please friends, don't forget to put likes, write comments, friends, and also subscribe to our channel. So let us get down to this topic with you. First, you will need to open the Telegram app on your device. On the top left, tap on the three bars to go to a menu like this, then select Settings. Now in the settings you will need to scroll down to the very bottom. Here at the bottom, find this option right here. That is the version of Telegram that is installed on your device. Click and hold on it, and you'll get a message like this, that the data has been copied. And now once again tap and hold on this option. Now you'll see a menu like this. And then you will need to click on the Import Contacts option at the top. So friends, you will allow your Telegram to access your contacts on your device. And then all the contacts from your device will be imported into your Telegram channel. And then you will be prompted to see all the contacts that will probably be added to Telegram. Because the app will find those contacts in the app using mobile numbers and other information from your device. Friends, this is the way you can easily import all your contacts in Telegram app. I hope friends that this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and also be sure to write your comments. See you soon.